Hello all and happy summer. Do you like to swim for free? Well, this video is for you. The city of Philadelphia and outside of the city, but the city specifically has 60, more than 60 outdoor pools for free. That's right, provided to you from all of our taxpayers in the city. More than a dozen of them actually have handicap capabilities as well, where they can lower you into the pool. So if you're worried about jumping in or walking down steps, we got you covered there too. There is at least one, and I would say two, swimming pools for you. We can provide a list for you now. It's on the city's website, so we'll be happy to do it. Now, some of them even provide free swimming lessons. What if you're like, hey, I don't know how to swim? We got you covered there too. Now, you do have to apply for that. You do have to get on an application, and you're probably too late to do that this summer. But they are well cared for, they are well kept. They do get kind of crowded, as you could imagine, but it's still fun. Bring your towel, bring your chair, bring your water, bring your sunglasses, bring your suntan. When you don't want a suntan or you don't want the sun to burn you, comment down below what I'm trying to think of. Now, free lessons, free pools, cool off. They actually are very safe. There's lifeguards on staff. What could be better than cooling off in our fair city? Now remember to get there early and don't stay too late because space is limited, but it is a lot of fun. If you've ever been to one of Philadelphia's finest public pools, let us know. We'd love to hear your comments on it. But if you don't like swimming, you can jump around and hang around on a pad with sprinklers and hoses and water flying everywhere and waterfalls, etc. They're really cool too. So thank you, Philadelphia Parks Department. There are also public parks and recreation outside of the city that do provide free services. There's not a ton of free pools and public pools outside of the city, like in every neighborhood that there is in Philadelphia, but there are some else. We'll put the links below. While you're below, hit subscribe, hit the bell, hit me up if you need anything. I'm happy to help in any way. Appreciate your time. Have a great day, everybody.